Hi everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. I am Kayla Rodrigues and I'm so happy you clicked on this video. I know times right now are a bit rough and I'm really sorry. I hope you all are safe, happy in your home, not being so cooped up, still finding things to do. And that's why I'm making this video, because this is a list of things that you can do in quarantine. So the first thing you can do is organize your room. I know I've been organizing my room, not this one at my dad's house, but at my mom's house I started to organize my room, and then I'm probably gonna get around to organizing my room at my dad's house. I just haven't gotten to that, but I'm gonna do that. That also can mean like you're refixing the furniture in your room. You could be moving it around, switching up the look so you're not so bored seeing the same thing every day. Another thing that you can do is make a Kahoot with your friends. And me and my friends have been doing this. We would make quizzes about ourselves to see like who knows each other better. Another thing that you can do is putting on fake auditions. Me and my friends are theater kids, so we like to sing and put on fake auditions where some of us are casting directors and some of us are auditioning. And we audition for different people's shows, and we get casted in the shows with our friends. Another thing that you can do is try to sell clothes on Depop. Depop is a great way to make some money and get rid of a lot of things. I hate clutter, so I would just love to push on my clothes, and I'm starting to do that, as you may have seen in my last video.
We return you now to your regularly scheduled program.
I'm currently selling a lot of my mom's clothes and a few of my clothes, so if you want to check out my Depop, the link will be in the description. Another thing that you can do is bake. And I'm sorry if my voice is weird. I'm like getting sick or something, not corona, hopefully. But another thing that you can do is bake. I made brownies the other day, but I made it out of the box, and then like a week before that I made cupcakes like from scratch because I have more baking materials at my mom's house because my dad does not eat unhealthy foods. But I love to bake, so you can find different recipes on Pinterest. I love Pinterest. And then you could bake your favorite stuff. You could give it away to people. I know my friend Maya has been baking a ton. She loves to bake. She's been making cakes, cupcakes, macarons, you name it. And she's giving it away to people because obviously she can't eat all the stuff because she's literally baking every single day. She is killing it. Another thing you can do is work on a hobby. If you know an instrument or something but you haven't been able to play it, do that. If you like to write, write. If you like to read, whatever, do it. I have a lot of hobbies. I like to songwrite, so like I've been able to songwrite. That has been really nice. I've really loved to draw, and I've been drawing. My grandma hired me to make her some Easter cards, so that's what I'm currently doing. And bullet journaling, tons of things you can do. And if you don't have a hobby, find a hobby. There's tons of things you can do. Grab some paper and draw. If you have an instrument at home, learn it. I don't know the piano, but I have a keyboard at my house, so hopefully if I don't procrastinate, I'm going to learn the piano. Another thing you can do is start a YouTube channel like me. I know during the school year and stuff, I'm super busy and it's so hard to edit a video, but right now I'm in quarantine, so I have a lot of free time. I still have a lot of homework, and starting next week we're going to be doing online schooling, but using this free time I'm going to be editing videos and making videos like you see now. If you have an activity that you want to start or a project, start it. Make a YouTube. Also, you can plan next year for the school year. I know that I'm always in the mood like I need to be a studious student. I need to be the best I can possibly be. So sometimes I prepare myself for the next year beforehand. So if you know what classes you are taking next year, start researching about that class. Start watching videos to teach you that material so that when you enter that class, you're not like, what am I doing? And you have homework to do or studies or work. Do that. I know you have a lot of free time, so don't be like, oh, I can't do my homework. You can do your homework. You could also read a book. There's tons of good books to read. Right now I'm reading Flatland, but I'm reading it online. I don't really like the book, but a family friend recommended it to me, so I'm gonna finish it. But I like more fiction novels. I was previously reading The Princess Bride, but I never finished it because I started reading Flatland. But after I finish Flatland, I'm gonna finish The Princess Bride. And there's also tons of books. You can see my bookshelf. You can read Twilight, The Fault in Our Stars, The Land of Stories, City of Bones, Harry Potter, whatever you want. Read it. You could also read books online. That's what I'm reading Flatland on, and I'll give you this cool website where you can look up any book. Another thing that you can do is self-care. This is very important, and I know that I don't take care of myself as much when I'm busy. I won't put on that face mask or wash my face or whatever. Take care of yourself. It is very important. I like to use this moisturizer from Kiehl's, and they have a great facial cleanser, but I currently am out of it. I need to get that soon. Oh, self-care is very important. You don't want to look old when you're actually old. Brush your hair, wash it in cold water. Look up some self-care tips, and if you want any help with that, I can help you. Another thing that you can do is work out. I've been making sure that I'm doing ab exercises every day because I want that nice flat stomach. So I'm forcing myself. If I'm going to be in quarantine, I'm also going to be working out. I'm going to be doing ab exercises whenever I get the chance. I have a yoga mat on my floor, and I've been doing that. You could watch different videos on YouTube if you want me to do my routine, because I usually don't follow too much videos because I've already seen a lot of the exercises. So if you want that, I could also put that on this channel. There's plenty of videos. You can watch like Alexis Ren or whatever, whoever you think is gorgeous and want that skinny waist, whatever. And obviously you can have some leisure time and watch movies or TV shows. I found this cool thing. I don't know if you saw it on TikTok, but you can enter other countries' Netflix accounts if you already have Netflix, and you can access the movies and TV shows that they have there. I just finished watching Shadowhunters, and they have it in Japan, but they don't have it here.
So all you have to do is get this VPN app and then click the IP sect, and then you go to Japan Netflix, click 4. That's one that I know works. I know Germany Frankfurt 37 works as well. Then you open up Netflix, go to your account, and you can search up things like Shadowhunters and other things.
So that's how I was able to watch that. I also watched The City of Bones because I really like that series and stuff, but they didn't make any more movies, which is sad, and don't even argue with me. Lily Collins and Jamie Campbell make a way better Jason Clary and the people in the show, no offense. You can also watch Modern Family in Germany. They have The Big Bang Theory in Japan. They have Twilight, Divergent, Maze Runner, Hunger Games, like whatever you want, you could watch it. I'm also watching the Shannara Chronicles now, and they have that in the US. You can FaceTime a friend. I've been doing that a lot, and there's group FaceTimes on iPhone, so I don't know if you know that. Friends, I really miss them a lot, and talking with them has just made this experience easier to deal with. You can also go on Zooms. I know that my youth group and small group and rehearsals for videos, and I'm taking a songwriting class on Zoom. You can download Zoom. You're probably going to need it for online schooling eventually anyway. You can clear out your camera roll. It bothers me so much when my camera roll is messy, and it is messy, like very messy, especially because I have a lot of videos of different clips of stuff to put together in a video, singing videos, or pictures of my textbooks, because I'd rather look at it on my phone or iPad than having a textbook in my lap. Clear out your camera roll. We know it's a mess, and we know you need storage. Next you can do is become TikTok famous. That is like every teenager's dream right now. I have a TikTok. I don't consider myself famous. I have 1,500 followers, so if you want to follow me, link in the description. I post interesting content, but use this time to grow swords. It's like, I know I want to be a singer, but I can get the exposure from a YouTube channel, from TikTok, or whatever. If you want to become something and it's like a well-known job, you don't have to go straight forward to like, oh, I need to go to a singing label. It's like, no, get yourself out there, make a YouTube channel, have a TikTok account, or just have fun. You could also have a mental breakdown and dye your hair. If you saw my most famous TikTok, I really want to dye my hair lavender, but my mom won't let me, and it's expensive, and I can't really do that now because I wanted to go to a professional to do it. But you can get dye from like Target or something and dye it yourself. A lot of my friends have been doing that. I think that will be really fun. And also that will probably be a viral vid on TikTok anyway. So 2 for 2. Another thing that you can do is plan an event. I know my friend Ian is planning his Sweet 16, and I'm sure it's just going to be a ton of fun, and he's working really hard on that. He has like a huge budget for it. It's going to be really cool. And the other day we were doing crafts to put stuff on his table because it's going to be forest themed. I also want to plan my Sweet 16 if I can even have it, because it's in June and I don't know if this corona situation will be gone by then, but hopefully not. And I want it to be Alice in Wonderland themed, and hopefully my grandparents will let me have it at their house, and if not, I'm kind of gonna be out of luck. But it's something that I really wanted. I didn't have a birthday party last year, and Alice in Wonderland, if you know me, it's the best thing on earth. My favorite thing in the whole wide world. You could also make a collage wall, put like a nice little decoration on your wall. Like, I kind of want to do that. Put out different pictures of things that inspire me or that I love, and just make a collage wall. But you can go on to Pinterest and look for inspiration. Pinterest is great for any inspiration for anything. I also literally plan my whole entire future on Pinterest. Also, link to my Pinterest in the description. I have a million boards, honestly too much. I literally have boards for colors. Another thing that you can do is have a photo shoot in your house. You could also look for inspiration on Pinterest as well. You could put on a cute outfit, do makeup, whatever you want, and take a photo shoot. Your Instagrams are probably dying right now because you can't leave your house. You need to sometimes be creative and use your home to do that. That is the end for this video. That is all I have. If I make any more before I'm done editing this, I will insert it here. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys are safe and having fun. Honestly, take this time to really reflect on life, be stress-free, and just enjoy the extra time that you have to do all the stuff to make you a better person. Relax, have fun, and be productive. Use your time wisely. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.